So based on these examples, if you are looking, so here set of paths denoted with uppercase letters, that is X or Y, which is capital letters. Members of set can be listed above diagram. So here if you see above diagram, in this diagram we have represented nodes with circle and link with arrows, and with each link have link weights. So here member of set can be AC, ABC, ABBC, ABBC, so on. So here this particular loop is repeating and we are getting a path number of different path names. This can be denoted, these number of paths we are summing up with plus. So here this particular thing we can call it as expression. So expression consists of path names which are nothing but R. So here this particular plus symbol is nothing but R. So this is a path, first path, second path, third path, and so on. So each path is summing up with the R and denoted with set of paths is called path expression. So here with the product of this particular paths we can call it as it's a path expression. Path product. Path consists of two path segment combined expression by concatenation or path product. Example, previously we learned each path we can represent with the element. Here we have two different paths which are having we are assigning this particular path with an element X, and this particular path we are assigning element Y. If we are taking a product of X, Y, we can observe that A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J. So product of these two terms are two elements. Here Yx same as above. If you are taking Yx, we are getting the product of those elements. If you are taking, instead of a particular path, if you are taking only a single path name A and here path X, so here we can product of this one A and that particular path A, B, C, D, E. If you are taking X A, before A we can specify the path, and here in between two paths we can also take A. X and Y represent paths or path expressions. Set of path follow every element of X and every element of Y is, if you are considering an element X which is having ABC plus DEF plus GHI, Y which is having UVW plus Z. The product of X, Y will be multiplying three different paths with Y paths. So you can get 3 different path sum, and again x, all these paths are multiplying with z, you can get 3 different paths. So this is nothing but path expression. You are getting one path expression. If a link or segment name is repeated, exponent values denoted by. So here if we are repeating a name or a segment or a name, we are repeating. So here if we are defining a to the power of 1 with a single letter a square 2 number of a's, a cube 3 number, so on up to n, a to the power of n. So n times of a is repeating n times. Then here same thing, instead of a we are taking a particular path which is assigned x as an element. We are taking a x as an element or path segment. Here x to the power of 1 is the same path, x square, we are multiplying a particular path and we are getting a b c d to the power of 2. X cube same, but 3 we are producting, and previously by observing x square we can getting x square into another path. So a b c d whole to the power of 2 a b c d e, and again we are simplifying this one, we are getting a b c d whole to the power of 3.